Hey there, iPad fans! Waking up to a whisper-quiet alarm is the worst, right? If your iPad alarm just isn't loud enough to get you out of bed, I've got you covered with some super quick fixes. First up, don't just mash those side volume buttons. Your iPad splits the media volume and the alert volume. Your alarm uses the alert volume. So, open Settings, tap Sounds or Sounds and Haptics, and look for the ringtone and alert slider. Drag that all the way to the right if you really want to blast your alarm. And here's a pro tip: toggle off change with buttons. That way, you won't accidentally turn down your alarm while lowering the volume for a video or game. Now, if your iPad has Face ID, listen up. There's a sneaky thing called attention-aware features. If your iPad sees you're awake, it'll lower the alarm automatically. Kind of annoying, right? Go to Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and turn off attention-aware features. Still not loud enough? Let's check for a volume limit. In Settings, head to Sounds, then Volume Limit. Or it might say, Reduce Loud Audio. Make sure any limit is turned off. You want that alarm as loud as possible. Don't forget your actual alarm sound. In the Clock app, hit Edit on your alarm, tap Sound, and make sure you've picked a ringtone, not None. And if you use a song from Apple Music, double-check it's downloaded. Sometimes, if it isn't, your alarm might just vibrate quietly instead. For extra stubborn alarms, try a force restart. Press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, then hold the top button until you see the Apple logo. Also, check that you're not connected to a Bluetooth speaker in another room, easy mistake, and give your speakers a quick clean if they're dusty. And remember, alarms will still ring even if silent mode or do not disturb is on.